Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be diving into option chain and we will be analyzing it as well as the current market scenario. But before that, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools that will help you out in your trading. In the application, you will get video library. So in the video library, we have made multiple videos for you, and these videos are based on Pro Plus tools as well as on various strategies. So you can watch them in your meantime. These videos are available in multiple language as well. Now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us. You have to go in the support and you will get our contact number as well as email ID. So you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Okay, now let's start today's session, that is the option chain. So in the Concept application, when you will go in the track section, so here we have our option chain, right? Now this is a advanced option chain. Why? Because here you can see along with the open interest, volume, IV, premium and strike prices, okay, you will get some other features, that is you will get the value of delta here, you will get the value of theta, gamma, vega, and as well as the pictorial presentation, or you can say a graphical representation of the open interest. That is a very important thing when we are analyzing our market, right? Let's see how the option chain works. Okay, so as you can see, let's shift the symbol to Nifty, okay, so that we will be getting an idea of market as well. Okay, so I have applied the option chain of Nifty here, and the expiry that I'll be using, so I'll be using the near expiry, and currently my near expiry is 31 October, so that is my monthly expiry as well. Okay, so here I can see 24,200 is my ATM strike. Okay, so ATM strike, this is my call side and this is my put side. Okay, now in this option chain, there is a feature that I have told you, that you will get a graphical representation, okay, of your open interest, right? Now I can see if I am analyzing Nifty, so from 24,200, that is my you can say ATM option, ATM strike price, right? If I will go above here, so from 24,200, okay, I can see I don't have to see all the numbers here, right? So I can see there is a very big green bar here, okay, and this is at the strike price of 24,500, right? So it means 24,500 is a major resistance for the market, right? So if my bank Nifty will move in the upward direction, so from 24,500 it can face some resistance. Why? Because there are you can say a maximum number of call sellers are sitting at this position, right? Similarly, if I'll go at the put side, so I can see, I don't have to see the numbers again, right? I can see if my market falls from 24,200, okay, so you can see here at this level, okay, so the strike price is 24,000, so I can see at 24,000 there are maximum numbers of put sellers are sitting there, okay, and they don't want market to go down below that level, right? So I can say my major support will be available at strike price of 24,000, right? Okay, now we got to know what is our major support. So if I'll mark it, so 24,000 will be my major support, right? And similarly, if I'll go in the call side, so this is 24,500 will be my major resistance. Why? Because maximum numbers of sellers in call side and in put side are sitting there, right? So I can see from 24,400, that is my current market price, right? So my market can go till this level and my market can go till this level, right? Okay, now as an option buyer, what can I do if I'm going for the buying side or if I'm going for the call side, right? So which direction should I choose? Because right now I have a range of approximately, I can see from 300 points here and approximately 200 points here as well, right? So from 300 to 200 my market can move, right? But I want, as a buyer, I want to know the perfect direction, at which direction my market can go right now at this time, right? Now for that, what we will do, we can see at the ATM strike price, I can see the call sellers are 24,22,125, right? Similarly, if I'll see at the put side also, so at the put side I can see my put sellers are 30,022,600, right? Now it will be a little confusing for you to see all this, so let's sort this open interest out. Okay, so we have another feature here. Okay, so let me introduce you guys to that, and that is you have to go in the track section and we have the open interest. So here you will find all the activities that is happening in the open interest, right? So we will be opening it. So here in the open interest, I can see at the level of this 24, just a second. Okay, so I can see if I'll tap here, so you can see here in this box, okay, at 24,200, the call sellers are 25,64,600, right? Similarly, at the put side, I can see that 30,94,000, the put sellers are there, right? It means put sellers are currently strong from call sellers, and what they want market to go above this level, right? So if my market will go above this level, so what do you think the major resistance my market will face, right? So here we have sorted it out for you. You can see there are some green lines. Okay, if I'll zoom it for you, you can see clearly. The green lines are showing me the call sellers, right? And call sellers don't want market to go above that level. So it means that can be a major resistance for us, right? Similarly, the red line will show us the put sellers or put OI. It means the market will not go below that level, right? So if currently I'm analyzing Nifty at this point of time, so I can see at this particular ATM strike price, the put sellers are strong. It means the market can go in the above direction, but till which level? So I can see at the 24,400, I can see a good resistance because of 62 lakh call sellers are there, right? But at the same time, I can see 40 lakh put sellers are also there. It means I'm not that much sure about this level, but if I will go at 24,500, so there I can see 87 lakh call sellers are there. It means that can be a major resistance for the market, right? So from 24,200, my market can go 24,500, but it will be difficult for the market to go beyond that, right? Similarly, if I will say in the negative side, or you can say in the downward direction, so I can see there is a maximum put sellers. Okay, you can see at this level, that is 24,000, right? So currently market is at 24,200 or 24,158, I can say, right? The price is trending there, and 24,000 is the level where there is approximately, I can say, 60 lakh put sellers are there, right? And with comparison to the put sellers, my call sellers are only 14 lakh, right? So I can say my market will not break 24,000 as per the open interest, as per the sentiments of sellers, right? So put sellers are there, right? Similarly, in this section, I can also see if I'm talking about 24,000. Okay, so let's see the level of 24,000 here. Okay, so if I will tap on 24,000 here, so I can see at the 24,000. Okay, so this is my 24,000. You can see here I can say 60 lakh put sellers are there at 24,000, right? But here this is the change in interest, right? How much change there has been in the open interest, right? So I can see 60 lakh put sellers were there, and along with that I can see approximately 6 lakh increase of put sellers is there. It means they are increasing their position at that level, so market will be facing so much rejection there, right? So if you are a buyer, okay, so what can I do? If my price will fall to 24,000, okay, so I can go and buy a call option there. Or what can I do? I can just buy a call. Okay, if I'm going for the weekly expiry, so I can just buy a call of 24,000, right? That my market will not break it. Okay, so that is how you can trade as a buyer. Now, if I'll tell you about how you can trade as a seller, so I can see where is the maximum resistance. So I can see the maximum resistance was at 24,500. It is 24,500, 24,450. So the maximum resistance is 24,450, or you can say 24,500 at this range, right? And similarly 24,000. So you can go and you can sell a call option, or you can sell the call of 24,400 or 24,500. At the same time, you can sell the put option of 24,000 level, right? So the market, if the market will remain between these two levels till the expiry, so as a seller you will get the profit of the range bond market, right? So that is what the open interest is, it is telling us. Okay, it is informing us. Okay, now again, if I will go in the option chain, okay, so along with the open interest, you can see there are some other features as well, right? So you can see, just a second, let it load. Okay, yeah, so I can see here at the 24,150, or if I'm buying the 24,000 call level, okay, as a buyer, so I can see at 24,150, 24,000. Okay, so this is my 24,000 level. If I'm buying call, so my premium is 271, right? I can see that delta is 0.65, right? It means if my market will move from 1%, so there will be a 0.65 increase in my premium, right? So you will also get to know like how much your premium is increasing at that price, right? So the increase in the premium is decent, right? And if the market will go against my direction, right? So same amount of delta, or you can say same amount of premium will be deducted, right? But it is a decent delta. Okay, so I can go with it. Okay, along with it, you can say currently the Vega is 12.03. Okay, in comparison to, you can see at the higher ITM I am getting 11.47 Vega only, but at this level I can see the Vega is 12.04. It means if the market moves in my favor, okay, so there are decent chances that my premium will increase, right? Because along with the volatility, my premium, the chances of the increase in my premium are also good, right? In comparison to the deep ITM, you can say the Vega is decreasing there, right? Similarly, if I'll go more in the you can say call OTM, deep in the call OTM, so I can see there is the slowly the Vega is decreasing down there, right? So what can I do? If I'm going for the call option, so I can go from 24,000 to, you can say, 24,300, right? So this is the range for a call buyer. Okay, if he will buy the strike price between 24,000 to 24, you can say 24,250, right? So he will be in a profit. There is a decent change in there will be a decent change in his premium as well, right? So I hope the concept is clear. Okay, now along with this, you can see there is a one more thing that you have to analyze here, and that is your volume. Now when we are going for the volume, right, so how it will help us? So it will help us to understand like how much the liquidity is in the market, or you can say at a particular strike price, right? So how we will analyze it, right? So for example, if I'll see the volume here, so if I'm going in the call side, so I can see currently the volume is 46,93,025, right? But I can see there is a maximum you can say volume accumulated at 24,400, right? 24,400, there is a maximum volume, and I can see, and I was also predicting that 24,400 will be a level from where the market will be facing rejection, right? So it is also backing up my theory or backing up my prediction, right? So if I'm going as a seller, so I can sell that level as well, right? So that is one of the things that you have to analyze here along with the open interest. Just make sure to confirm it with the volume as well. Okay, and when you are going for your particular strike price, like at which strike price should I take the trade? Okay, so just make sure कि you are analyzing the delta and Vega as well, because as a buyer you want a Vega positive strategy with you, right? So thank you so much guys. This was your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.